uria ucenjetie riera ni gutema miti na tutemete miti ni tugikate tutemete miti niguo turime large scale na small scale tugatema miti ningi niguo tucine ringi makara na miti ningi iruge oguo tuthiete turauga thini wa kahinda gaka ka miaka 100 ona population andu ni maingihite muno oguo maraingiha noguo nacio indo iria ciekuo cirehe cia nature irahuthika tugeta migunda rugakora andu ni mari mairio nyingi biu migunda ni yaneneha muno na migunda eno irauma na guthi kurima mititu watema muti ugatwika ru muti ucio handu hau ni hatwika dry gukaga miti na nikio raiguire president witauga ni tugucoka kuhanda miti tondu na miti no iregulataga ni thondekaga riera ni uraiguite harari na debate irari nene muno ya kuga andu metikirio ningi macoke mutitu mageke atia makarime ni undu wa ngaragu no undu ucio kauga atiriri mundu yathie mutitu ri niki gikumugiria ateme muti ucio nigetha handu haria ararima hanena nenehe ugu we are clearing the bushes, we are clearing the forest tutekumenya atiriri undu tureka umuthi ni wani benefit umuthi ni warehe faida umuthi ero ucio ugakorwo kuhana atia mwana wako kari kana mwana uria ngatiga thutha-ini ri agakora kuhana atia uhoro wa kuhanda gucokereria mitituri ucio no wikirwo ta policy hau tutirarega na at all cost mititu irangirwo negitirwo.
Gitago James Gitau the principal wa Chani High School umuthi ni muthenya munene thiino wa cukuru na thiino wa bururi witu ni twahanda miti 3,000 na ni iyo no kwambiriria tu ni tukuhanda miti ingi mingi ni turenda kunyita president witu baru tondu hari yari tutangia kumnyitira na guku the ndagi succeed nikio na ithuĩ turonire ni wega twambirie na kuhanda miti 3,000 na kuma hau ni tukugia na 3 nursery o murutwo ni kuhanda miti yake 10 in the 3 nursery oguo in the next few weeks ta wiki 2-3 cukuru itu ni gukorwo na miti makiria ma 13,000
because the judiciary nationwide is celebrating the National Child Service Month. And as you can see, we are here with the students as well, showing them how to conserve the environment. Because when we take care of the environment, it will take care of us for generations and generations to come. This is work in progress. It is a continuous process. And it's a process where we are engaging all the stakeholders, the LSK, the Law Society of Kenya, the KWS, the judiciary. We are all stakeholders in this, and it takes that concerted effort to actually make the environment what we would love it to be. Like now we are here under the sun. All of us are looking for a shade somewhere. You can imagine a few years from now, there'll be shade everywhere in this place because of what we have done today.
Jia kwa riera turaiga ta maria maitu ni marathi uguo makaga na mangi makago fiu marui maitu ni macokete nathi mbura itu iria twirigagirira mahinda maria gukura ni iracererwo ona kungikaga ni turonire kana ni tuiguite uria nyamu citwikite cia ku affect kana gukua na to nyamu ona andu ni tuonete ta bururi witu wa Kenya uria affectitwo na to Kenya na kundu kungi ta Nigeria gukaira mbura iria ikirite gikiro kiria kiagiriire gugakona effect nyingi muno. Turakenera muno ta thirikari ya Ruto ni iraiga ni tukuhanda miti bilioni 10 kwa ihinda riake riria egukorwo ho miaka 10 na ni tungiuga to Ruto ona ithuĩ enyewe to take that charge tuhote kuhanda miti nigetha tugitire maria maturigicĩirie.